Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing very well, and today I'll show you a method how to post on Instagram without any application or emulator, just using by a simple default web browser. You can use any web browser, but in my case I'm using Google Chrome. Just click on the Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome search bar you need to type the Instagram website link. Now it's depend on you guys. You can go through the Instagram Google search or by simply typing instagram.com and open a Instagram website. Now as you can see here, there is nothing like to do post. For that, just click on the three icons, then more tools. Then on the left side you will get the developer tools. Just click on it. You can also activate by pressing the Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Now here you will get a small icon. It's look like pod, pad, or even iPhone or something like that. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will get the dimension responsive, and on the right side you will get the no throttling. Throttling means you can choose the requirement of your browsing. Now it's like mid tires and low end tires, and another option is no throttling. The best way is just go with no throttling, but also you can choose the mid tire option. Now in the dimension responsive, you will get the amount of mobile operating systems. Just select anyone and then reload your Instagram page. After reloading you will get all the options, future options, mobile future options, the post one and the others are as well. Now simply click on the post option and now select any image or video that you want to post, then open it. Now type any caption here. Before caption you can also adjust the resolution of your image as you have seen in mobile. Now just type here the caption and then simply click on the share. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Now if you have any question, just comment below, and if you are facing any kind of error on your PC, just comment below. I'll guide you properly according to your error issues. Now hit the subscribe button guys and share it with friend, and if you have any question just comment below. I'll guide you properly. Have a good day, take care, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.